Hello everyone, first we've inserted a clip and then taking one layer from one side and joining it to the clip. Next we are going to take this tool or spring and then we are going to use it for making this beautiful zigzag hairstyle as shown in the video. You can take any spring like tool for making this hairstyle. At last we are going to apply this clutcher to complete our hairstyle. Next we are going to use a clip and then we are going to take 3 layers from one side and one from the another and then making 2 braids, joining them opposite to each other, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to form a braid by taking some of our hair and then we are going to loosen it as shown, and then taking the remaining hair, joining it with a bun as we've made, and it's done. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are taking 2 parts of hair, joining it with a rubber band and then repeating the same step again, and then we are going to take rest of our hair and making a braid as shown. After the braid is done, you can apply any clip or accessory to it. Here we've applied these beautiful clips on our braid. Next we are going to take 2 layers, joining them together and securing it with rubber band, repeating the same step again and again as shown, and secure all of them with the rubber band, and your simple hairstyle is done. Next we are going to take a clip and then joining some layers to it as shown. We are taking 2 layers from each side and your hairstyle is done. We are going to loosen it at last to make it look more good. Next we are going to take a layer from our hair and then making a simple French braid from it by taking little by little hair from one side, and when your French braid is done, we are going to loosen it a little bit, and now you can apply any kind of accessory to it as we have applied this beautiful rubber band. Next we are going to separate our hair into 2 sections. After that we are going to make a simple ponytail and a simple hairstyle is done. Next we are going to take 2 to 3 layers from each side and then we are going to secure it with the rubber band and applying this beautiful butterfly clip to it. Next we are going to make 2 braids, one on each other, and then we are going to join it into the opposite direction and secure it with any kind of clip. Next we are going to take hair from 2 sides and then we are going to form a low ponytail, folding it out into a bun and then applying the simple clip to it. Next we are going to take layer from each side. We are taking 2 layers and then from the rest of the hair we are making a braid and then forming a simple low bun from it. At last we are going to apply this beautiful rubber band to our hairstyle.